Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this Jamaican stewed chicken. So we're going to get started by making a seasoning blend, which is essentially a green seasoning. I do have a detailed video that I'll link above as well as in the description box below. And as usual, all the measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description as well. Alternatively, you can chop these up. However, we can all agree that it's much easier to blend them. I'm using an entire chicken for this recipe today, and I've already washed, cleaned it and removed the skin. And this chicken is almost 4 pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my green seasoning or my seasoning blend, as well as my dried seasonings, which consist of all-purpose salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper and some dried parsley. Some browning, which is food coloring, and you want to be careful with this because a little goes a long way. So now I'm going to cover this with some plastic wrap and leave it to marinate, preferably overnight. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it in my fridge for at least 2 hours. So my chicken has marinated for at least 2 hours, and I took it out of the fridge for the last hour just to get some of that chill from off of it. To my Dutch pot, I'm going to add a few tablespoons of oil. And today I'm using some vegetable oil. Of course, any oil of your preference can be used. If you have blended your herbs in a high-speed blender like I did, you're going to have some water left in your container. So when you're adding your chicken to your pot, I recommend that you add a few pieces at a time in order to, one, avoid burning yourself, and also it gives your chicken a better sear. Now that my oil is well hot, I'm going to add my chicken in a few pieces at a time. And I'm going to allow it to sear for at least a minute on one side before I start turning it. Once my chicken has seared nicely, I reduce my flame to medium-low, and I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to the pan that we seasoned the chicken in to get all that flavor. At this point in time, I recommend that you taste to see if your pot needs anything and adjust according to your taste. My pot has been going for 10 minutes. And what I like to do is to remove the oil that has pooled to the side. So it's been 45 minutes. And I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. half a tablespoon of sugar, and my vegetables. And I'm gonna allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes and a total cook time of 1 hour, we have our delicious cooked to perfection Jamaican brown stew chicken. The chicken came out tender and flavorful to the bone, and the rich gravy was the perfect consistency, savory with a very subtle hint of sweetness. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and join the journey to the first 1,000 subscribers. Hope you give the recipe a try. Remember to check the description for the full list of ingredients. Feel free to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you give this or any of my other recipes a try, and follow me as well. You can also follow me on my other socials, which are also linked in the description as well. Hope to see you in the next video. Until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.